want me? Hey! You say you want me?
I call this person more come here now.
Don't worry. Maybe let's send the drive. Make a message for WhatsApp. Maybe I say this guy.
It's baby go.
Two baby. I better go. This one, I better leave him. If you want girls, I will carry you go where you go see babes. This one, leave her. I beg, she get with it.
This type of they like.
No, you don't understand. Baba, the girl get with it. Like she get madness.
Inside the phone.
You know, now dog the back.
I got the advice from a madman.
Hello, baby. How you doing? My name is Oyiko. Adi.
How dare you touch me?
Sorry. The thing is, I just moved into this area and you're my spec. As it is right now, I'd like us to move to our side. You know what I'm saying? I find you like cute.
Are you mad? Are you stupid?
Problem in all the finish.
Oh God, this love goes sweet.
Brother, fall back. I like it.
This is a sign that we are meant for each other. I like violence women.
It is smoky, boo.
See, I want you, and I'm going to spoil you. Baby. That's you now. You have not told me your name. Diana. You see? You're smiling.
You say you want her,
I want you.
and you want the two of us to.
Exactly what I want.
Okay.
Run.
You want me?
Hey!
You say you want me. What do you say you want? Tell me. What do you say you want? I want God. You want me? Hey, babe! Have me now.
Babe, I beg now.
You serve you. What do you say you want? What do you say you want?
Beg, forgive her. Now my on this one, no.
Because you're a lady, that's how we can't tell. Hit me. You're a lady. I should tell you. Stop.
Come here. Babe, I beg now. No, look here.
You want me? Or you have me?
Problem.
Wait, easy. I will tell you. I will say, be like say your own come worse. I tell you, say this girl, I no go area, no try am. You no come hear word. See you now.
Because I know that
Blood of Jesus.
Because you know that.
Blood of Jesus.
I
Sorry, oh.
But when you well first, you go ready go again. But when I tell you, man and a woman do you this thing. Fear. I tell you, no go.
I got the advice from a madman.
God have mercy upon us.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.